Lift chairs. Restoring independence for the elderly age is an inevitable fact of life. We will all age, there is really no fountain of youth, and no way to keep age from finding us. Possibly the most frustrating aspect of aging is the loss of our mobility and independence. Having the ability to remain independent throughout the aging process is a very important aspect in many lives. Knowing that we can come and go as we please without help is crucial in respect to our self-confidence. A lift chair is a wonderful resource for retaining or regaining your independence. With a lift chair, you have the ability to move from a sitting to a standing position without any help from others. Many styles of lift chairs are available, as well as different aspects of reclining positions. A lift chair can help you to regain your confidence by ensuring that you will be able to go from sitting to standing without the fear of falling. A lift chair works by using a motorized mechanism that simply lifts your seat with the push of a button. If you normally need help standing up, a lift chair can give you that help. You simply push the button to raise the chair, and you are lifted into a complete standing position. Once you are on your feet, you can simply walk away from your chair. Lift chairs also help with the sitting process. When you are ready to sit in your chair, you simply back up to the seat and push the decline button. The chair will take you into a sitting position slowly so that you do not lose your balance. Gaining independence is a very important feeling. Knowing that you have the ability to sit and stand alone, without the help of family and friends, is a wonderful emotion. Many elderly people, as well as those who have been injured or are disabled for a number of reasons, have found their independence again with a lift chair. With the many styles and colors available in lift chair models, it is safe to assume that you will be able to match your lift chair to your current home furnishings. There are also styles available that will take up very little space, so if you live in a small home or apartment, there is a lift chair that will fit perfectly into small living spaces. Making the decision to purchase a lift chair seems like an overwhelming task. However, knowing how a lift chair can help to restore your ability to do things on your own is a major decision maker for many. Knowing that you will have restored your mobility and having more independence in your daily life is the best reason to consider purchasing a lift chair. You will have the ability to move around your home as you wish, without relying on the help of others to get you on your feet or to help you sit. Regaining your independence is a wonderful feeling, and deciding to use a lift chair is the first step.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.